Hello and welcome to Financeable on this new video on how to log in into Nissan Canada Finance account. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos on this. Get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of the choice in the top of the web browser. There will be a search bar. There users have to type Nissan Canada Finance login and click enter in the keyboard. And this is the search result that is shown to you. In the first search result, it says login, and as you can see, it says Nissan Canada Finance Portal. And when you see this and login as a search result, you just have to click on it and it will take you to the login portal of Nissan Canada Finance Portal. And here is the login portal. So if you haven't registered, then you can just click on the register button that is on the bottom, and by following all the instructions provided to you by Nissan Canada, you will be able to register successfully and it will redirect you back to the login portal. And if you have forgotten your password, then you can just click on the forgot your password that is on the right side of login button, and you will be able to retrieve your password. And when you have both your email address as well as password, then you just need to go in the email address box and enter your email address. After that, you just need to enter the password by going in the password box, and you will need to press on the login button. And when you have pressed on the login button, you will be able to log in into Nissan Canada Finance account. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.